kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon, and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already, and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen, guys. Today we're going to show you can make yourself a nice, lovely corned beef, vegetable corned beef, and I'm going to serve it with some pasta. It's just something totally different. Roughly, I'm putting not 2 tablespoons, sorry guys. Roughly, I'm using about 2 large spoons of vegetable oil or olive oil inside of a frying pan. Basically, this recipe is a Jamaican vegetable beef, like corned beef. So first of all, that's the oil inside of the pot. My pot is getting hot. So far, I'm gonna put half a spring onion. The beauty with the spring onion, guys, it just need it for it to fry and get that lovely, lovely color inside of the pot. As you can see, that's the spring onion inside of it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna cut in half of red pepper into some small of yellow pepper. Beautiful. As you can see, that looking lovely inside of the frying pan, guys. It's to get in the flavor. And green pepper. And I'm doing some spring onion, because this is a nice, lovely vegetable corned beef, and I'm gonna serve it with a little bit of pasta. I did it before, but you know, Chef Ricardo always coming with something totally different. So, to be honest, I did something similar like this before, and I decided to do it in a different kind of fashion one more time. But as you can see, all the recipe looking so lovely and nice. So basically, I have a small can of corned beef, and I said to myself, you know, I feel like I will do some pasta and some vegetable corned beef. But as you can see, that looking so fantastic, lovely and nice. What you need to do is to make it fry for a good portion of time. So basically, I'm gonna pop a few cherry tomato also inside of it. You can get this at any local shop, guys, supermarket to buy. So all I'm gonna do is just cut them into half and put a few of them inside of the frying pan like that with those lovely veg. Looking so yummy, yummy and so nice. As you can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about, with this lovely, 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 nice vegetable corned beef this evening, guys. So as you can see, next thing we're gonna add the corned beef. That's the 1 can of corned beef. Nice one. So, and we also gonna add some green peas. This is some frozen green peas, guys, to be honest. That's the frozen green peas. And also we're gonna add some frozen sweet corn. Nice one. And next thing we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. That's the coarse pepper we are adding, and also a little bit of paprika. You might have said, "Where the chef are going within the kitchen?" But this is just a Jamaican way of doing corned beef. A little bit of the beef seasoning, guys. Not too much, but a pinch of beef seasoning. And also, when you want your food to taste good, as I always say in my video, for you to make your food taste really nice, add some ketchup. That's the last thing, guys, inside of it. Really nice. Give it a stir. But as you can see, this is the vegetable corned beef, guys. Beautiful and nice. Look at the corned beef inside of the pot. This is fantastic. You can do this at home and serve it with the kids there. As you can see, vegetable corned beef with pasta. Beautiful recipe enjoy the recipe and please leave your comments. This is recipe before Christmas, guys. I know it's coming up to Christmas, guys. I'll be sure putting up a lot of Christmas stuff, but don't worry yourself. Sometimes we have to put something on the menu. Nice and lovely. So guys, as you can see, I just make the corned beef cook down for another 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it, guys. Looking so yummy and nice. And I just keep stirring it, and now it is finished. Just look at that. This is just so easy and simple. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Corned beef take roughly about 12 minutes to prepare it and cook it. It's not long. Once it cook out like this, that means your corned beef is ready. Looking lovely and nice, and now we're gonna share it out in the next 5 more minutes time from now. So as you can see, how to do your nice, lovely homemade, nice and beautiful. As you can see, how to do your vegetable corned beef at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you next time as we share it out. As you can see, I start to dish it out looking so lovely and nice and so beautiful, guys. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. As you can see, this looking so lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we can come out with some better and best recipe for 2016. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy the vegetable corned beef served with pasta from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye. All of you who support me and subscribe to the channel, giving me a lot of tips and ideas and things, and also your comments are just brilliant. So remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorry, so a lot of things is coming for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.